Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious macaroni salad, step by step. First, let's prepare our pasta. You'll want to cook about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse it with cold water. This stops the cooking process and keeps the pasta from sticking. Then, transfer your cooled macaroni to a large mixing bowl, ready for the next ingredients. Now, let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar for a touch of sweetness. Finally, season your dressing with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste, ensuring a balanced flavor. With our pasta and dressing ready, it's time to add some fresh, crisp vegetables for texture and flavor. Finely dice about 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. Also, chop 1/2 cup of bell pepper. Any color works beautifully. These fresh additions bring a wonderful crunch and vibrant taste to your salad. Carefully add all these prepared vegetables to the bowl with your macaroni. We're almost done. Now, pour the creamy dressing you prepared earlier over the macaroni and vegetable mixture. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is thoroughly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Cover your macaroni salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.